Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this Adobe error message. It's another quick video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so what we're going to do here first is type services down at the taskbar. Go ahead, select services. And then we search for Adobe Genuine Software. As you can see, it's on the system running. Double click. And then we look for disable and select disable. After that, we are going to stop the process from running, apply, and OK, or you can just X out. Alright, so for this step, we're going to have to completely remove it from the system. So what we're going to do again is go down to the taskbar and type control panel. Select control panel. Now we scroll down and select programs. Go ahead and select programs and features. Look for Adobe Genuine Service. Right click and then you uninstall. Now after that you do a full reboot on your PC. After you've restarted your PC, you're just going to look if you are getting any error, and if you are not getting any error, that means that my job here is done. Thanks again guys for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe.